everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna review about Miniso makeup brushes. So these are the brushes, and yes, to more about this, please keep on watching my video till end. So yes, without wasting any time, let's directly jump into the video. Alright, so now let's talk about the packaging first. So this is how it looks. So you can see Miniso, and it says product name is makeup brush set, and this comes in two colors. This is the peachy coral one, and the next color is pastel green. So these are the two colors. I bought this color because it looks cute, and also it is like 7 pieces. One is like powder brush and a lip brush and a shading brush and eyebrow brush, and also sponge eyeshadow brush. And yeah, these are the brushes which you can use. I guess if you have these all brushes, like, you are good to go. I mean, if you're going to party or office, and you don't want to carry like too many stuff, then I guess this is the one for you. And it retails for 260 rupees. I bought this from Amazon, but one fine day, like seriously, one amazing day, I got a very good deal in discount. I got this for 156. I mean, can you believe me? Because no matter what, how many eyeshadow brushes you have, it is like always less. I mean, you have to use so many brushes on your eyelids, and to blend, crease eyeshadow, and everything. So yes, but finally I bought this for 156, and I'm so happy. Just look at my face, you can see how happy I am. And the thing is, you literally need 5 or 4 brushes to blend your eyeshadow, like one on the crease and like transitions shade and whatnot. So yes, these are really good, and I'm gonna talk about these brushes now. So this is how it looks. It comes in this plastic sheet. Okay, so you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 brushes basically, but here it is like 2 sides, so they count it as 7. So yes, let's talk about these brushes. So guys, you get this pouch. So it is in like baby pink color, as you can see. So this is good. I mean, if you're carrying your brushes to office or party, you can just use this one pouch, and you can just put it in your handbag, and you're good to go. So yes, you can keep these all brushes here and just shut it like that. So yes, now let's talk about this brush right here. So this is a eyebrow brush, and it's not very harsh. So I just so as you can see here, it had picked some product on the brush, because I just filled in my brows with eyebrow pencil, and I'm just like combing it now. So yeah, it is like really good. I mean, it's not that harsh, and I'm not sure like how to use it, because I don't literally use eyebrow brushes. So, but it looks neat, correct? I mean, it looks put together after using this brush. I'm liking it. Wow. So now this is for, maybe you can use this brush when you're trimming your eyebrows. Like, maybe you can just comb it like that, and yes, can you see this? So just comb it like that, and you can trim, or you can just thread it. So yes, basically this is sorry, this comb is actually working. You can use it if you want very natural look, and you can use this side if you want very neat and clean look. It is working amazing, and it is very lightweight, cute. Now let's talk about this brush right here. This is a very basic sponge brush. You can just apply like eyeshadow here, and it is not really harsh on your eyes. Nice. So I'm not gonna like elaborate this thing, like how to use it, and I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow to give it a demo because it is pretty soft. This is a lip brush, so nice. So all the bristles are really soft. It's not harsh at all. You can just apply this on your eyes and your lips, like anywhere. It is very soft. So I really liked it, and I'm so lucky that I just got it for 156. I can't believe this, because now also if you're if you want to buy these brushes, you will get it for 260. I know it's sad, but then just wait for the offer. Maybe one fine day you can also grab this for 156 rupees. So yes, now this is like you can use it for concealer. For example, like just you can use some liquid concealer and just dab it like that, and you're good to go. But I don't want concealer brush because I'm not a concealer person, even though I have a dark circles and eye bags, like all eye problem. But then I don't use concealer because I believe personally when you use concealer or color corrector, the dark circles get even more worse. So that's what I think. And yes, I use it as a to use transition shade to blend. I mean, oh god, this is so soft. I mean, the bristles are really soft and I'm loving it, and it's really handy. It's not that big. The brush is really small. So can you see how nicely it's blending? It's really soft and I'm loving it. And now this is the main brush which I've been like hunting for. Oh my god, this is so soft. And basically I want this brush for crease, because I don't do like cut crease eye makeup and those stuff. I just keep my makeup very simple and subtle. So for doing that kind of makeup you need these kind of brushes. So yeah, so see, just blend it like that. Oh, it's so soft. And for 260 also I don't think it's a bad deal. I mean, if you don't have too many eyeshadow brushes, then I think you should go for these two brushes. And yes, also you get one blush brush. Oh, this is so soft. So yes, so can you see the bristles are really soft? And I guess I'm gonna buy another set of this because I'm loving it. It's really good, and for 156 I believe this is a best deal. So I would highly recommend you guys to buy this, and at least try it. If you don't have really good eyeshadow brushes, then I think you should give it a try. And also that's what it says. So as you can see here, it retails for 260. So yes guys, this is pretty much it. And yes, so I have already shown you this pouch. This is how it looks. So yes, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones. And yes, do not forget to hit that notification bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you can just go and check that out. And please comment down below. Please comment down below. Like if you have any suggestions, you can just share with me. So bye.